We're talking English in a group chat. Comes out of nowhere, and starts speaking Afrikaans. Nee, man. Nee, man. Die mense kan hoop, man. Hey, man. Everybody is speaking English maybe, so that we can all understand each other. But then someone comes to come up with information that is written in Afrikaans. Now he's making a job for me to go and ask other people, what does this mean? Nee, hoop. Hy Owens, se gofe my wie kort nog of is almal se name wat daar was op. What does that mean? I don't even know what I just read, me, bro. What the fuck does that mean? Stop laughing.
She's asking if everyone's name is there and who's shouting. Yeah.
I'm not there, monsieur.
No, it's just the people that were the
at the
mine.
mine.
Yeah, the 10
Yesterday.
aware.
Oh, man. Good morning. I trust everyone is well. I'm not hearing anything from you. CJ, do you manage to collect the training request forms from Shahida? Which forms are these ones?
I don't know, my bro.
Oh, we will go and find out now. What time are you guys going to?